Hello everybody, it's Justin again with Shock Therapy, and today is very exciting because we're going to be unveiling a new solution for common problems with the rear hubs on a Can-Am X3, our Toe Link Support Kit, otherwise known as a TLS kit. Our TLS kit is a permanent solution to all of you who've had a toe link support loosen up and ruin your rear hubs. No longer do you have to throw those away and just put a new one on only to have it happen again. Our kit cures this and also fixes your current hub that might have problems. The reason that we developed this TLS kit is because almost every X3, once you run the car hard or install a larger tire on the back, has a problem with the toe link or the third radius rod in the center of the rear system that controls toe of the rear hubs coming loose at the hub. They come loose because the factory toe link is sitting on an aluminum portion of the hub. That aluminum gets worn out, which loosens the torque on the bolt, which allows the bolt to move, and once the bolt moves, it wallers out the hole and eventually shears off. To date, there's only a few things that you can do to cure this. One, the dealership is going to replace the worn out hub with another stock hub. It's just going to happen again, and some people have had it happen to them 3 or 4 times in just a 2,000 mile period. Your other option is to run some of the double shear kits that are on the market, which honestly aren't even double shear. All they do is give you a metal surface instead of an aluminum surface for the toe link to mount to. The third option is something that many of the race teams run, including ourselves on our own car, is a ZRP hub. Amazing hub, very strong, billet, but also very expensive. This is a good solution for somebody that's racing, but most people that are in a recreational space aren't going to spend the money for that type of a system. We wanted to create a product that did 2 things. It cures the problem and saves the hub, while at the same time is very affordable. Our TLS kit allows you to drill out the hole that's already worn out in the hub and replace it with a completely stainless steel lined system. This spreads the load across the whole hub, replaces the hole with a stainless steel version, allows the toe link to ride on a stainless steel surface instead of an aluminum surface. Our TLS kit also removes all of the load off of the factory bolt. The bolt is no longer in single shear since all of the stainless spacers support the radius rod and toe link. Our TLS stainless steel spacers become the complete support system for the factory toe link. There is no longer any shear load on the factory bolt. With this system, the bolt will never wear out the hole again. This is nothing new. It's been around for many, many years. As a matter of fact, if you take this TLS system and place it vertically, it would be the same thing that all trophy trucks are using for their front spindle attachment point to the upper control arm. Our TLS kit comes in 3 versions. One that supports the factory toe link, a 5/8 rod end, and a 3/4 inch rod end. That way, no matter what radius rod kit you might have on the car, stock or aftermarket, our TLS kit will work for your upgrade. So with our TLS kit, you don't have to throw away your stock hubs that are worn out. You can fix them, you can use them again, saving you time and money. Our TLS kits come with grade 8 hardware, lock nuts and Loctite, as well as a drill bit to install the kit. We've been testing this TLS kit for many months in the harshest conditions. Baja 500, Baja 1000, race teams, our own race team, all of our pre-runners, as well as some of our customers' cars with 0 issues. It's the perfect fix for what most people are running into. We've been approached by dealerships who are looking to install this TLS kit on their cars, brand new on the showroom floor before you even buy it. The best thing about our TLS kit is it's $99.95. That's it. It's $100 to cure these problems permanently. So this patent pending product is something that you're only going to find at Shock Therapy and nowhere else.